Hello everyone and welcome to the Virtual Majors Fair. We are the Department of Organismal Biology and Ecology, commonly referred to as OBE. In this video, we'll be giving you some information about the OBE major and answering some common questions, so we hope this helps and that you learn more about our department. To start, we do want to note that there are two different biology major tracks at Colorado College. We are here talking about the Organismal Biology and Ecology major, but there is also the molecular and cellular biology major. The main distinction between these majors is that OBE concentrates on studying whole living organisms and how they interact within populations and their environments, whereas molecular biology concentrates on striving to understand the cellular and biochemical processes that contribute to biological functions. The OBE major also has more field-based courses, whereas the molecular biology major has more laboratory-based courses. But that being said, there's a bit of overlap in the requirements for these two majors, so if you're unsure which biology major you'd like to pursue, we recommend starting with one introductory course in the OBE department as well as the introductory molecular biology course because these will help you get a better sense of each major. All right, now we're going to talk about why a student would want to major in OBE. So if you're someone who really likes science, nature, and experiential learning, we'd think you'd enjoy taking courses or majoring in OBE. We offer lab as well as field-intensive classes ranging from botany and zoology to microbiology to physiology to ecological and evolutionary genetics. We also have courses that go into the field for day trips, overnights, and even week-long camping trips, so students really get to learn by experiencing the natural world of Colorado firsthand. We welcome all students to take OBE courses, and you do not need any prior camping or hiking experience to participate in an OBE class with field components. With the flexibility of the block plan, students in OBE classes can really immerse themselves in hands-on learning that's not possible in traditional school settings. Additionally, students who are interested in research have the opportunity to work with our faculty who concentrate on various subsets of biology, and faculty hire students to work with them on their research both in the summer as well as during the school year. So we'd encourage you to go on our website and read about our department's research. Next, we'll discuss what will students in the OBE major learn, what are some examples of classes they will take, and what knowledge and skills will they develop. So our department studies the structure and function of organisms in an ecological and evolutionary context, and some of our research looks at botany, animal and plant ecology, comparative physiology, conservation biology, and molecular ecology. Every block, students get to focus on a different subject and really dive deep into the learning. Many OBE classes allow students to conduct their own research projects, so they really get a lot of hands-on experience and learn a wide variety of both field and laboratory research techniques. Also, most courses have at least one writing component, so OBE majors learn how to be strong scientific writers and will especially get a lot of practice writing scientific research papers and research proposals that surely will help prepare them for many careers. For instance, our intro-level courses, which focus on the biology of plants, animals, and microbes, cover in-depth labs, some field research techniques, and teach students to write scientific reports. The material and skills students learn from these courses help form important foundations in the OBE major. Plus, they do not have any prerequisites, so we really encourage everyone to at least give one of them a try. An example of an upper-level field-based course is animal ecology, which is typically offered first block every year. In this class, students will spend about half the block in the field, where they learn about the ecology and life history of a variety of native invertebrate and vertebrate species, while developing skills in the use of field study techniques and applying those skills to carry out field projects as a class. At the end of the course, groups of 3 to 4 students write a mock research grant proposal using preliminary results from their field project, and each group will present their results to their peers in class. In non-pandemic years, we also offer at least one block taught abroad with CC faculty each year, so some examples have included tropical forest and coral reef ecology taught in Belize, ecology and biogeography of Patagonia, and ecology and conservation in Tanzania. So the next question I'll be discussing is what should students know about the OBE major? These include prerequisites, bottleneck courses, and thesis requirements. So here I've pulled up the major requirements for OBE from our website, and I can briefly go over these. The OBE major is 15 to 16 units, and this extra unit just depends on the genetics course that you choose to take. All OBE majors need to take at least 2 of the introductory OBE courses, and these are biology of plants, biology of animals, and biology of microbes. So you just need 2 of these, 2 out of the 3. In addition, OBE majors will have to take 1 intro course in molecular biology. OBE majors will also need to take ecology, which is the one course in the department that every OBE major will take in their time at CC. Additionally, you'll need to take a unit of genetics, which can either be 1 unit of population genetics or 2 units that consist of the molecular and cellular biology lab and genetics. You'll also need 3 chemistry courses: General Chemistry 1, 2, and Organic Chemistry 1. And then you need 2 units in math, 1 calculus course, and 1 statistics or math modeling course. And lastly, you can choose 5 approved OBE electives, 3 of which must be upper level. While senior theses are not required for OBE majors, every major must take a capstone course, which is an upper level OBE elective during their last 2 semesters at CC. For more information about the major and requirements, I'd highly recommend that you check out our OBE Majors Handbook, which is available to download on our webpage under the Major Requirements drop-down menu. Alright, the final question I'll be discussing is what postgraduate opportunities and careers do graduates who major in OBE pursue? So some common examples of careers OBE graduates pursue involve scientific research, health professions, policy work, science writing and editing, and teaching. Many students in the department do choose to pursue some sort of graduate education, although not necessarily immediately after graduating CC. These opportunities include master's and PhD programs in subsets of biology, ecology, and evolution, veterinary school, and health professions, including medical, nursing, and PA schools. Every week, Shane Heschel, who's the chair of our department, sends emails to a listserv that many OBE majors are part of that has opportunities for both current students and alumni to apply for summer jobs and internships, year-round and seasonal wildlife jobs, and graduate school opportunities. So it's a really great resource for all members of our community. So thank you so much for tuning in to learn about the OBE major. If you have any further questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me, Olivia Noonan, or our department chair, Shane, as well as any other faculty in the department, and you can find a list of all our faculty and their research interests on our webpage.